ऑल राइट गाइस, वेलकम बैक। ठीक है। आज अपने साथ एक स्पेशल गेस्ट है एंड ऑन डिमांड आप लोग बहुत दिनों से पूछ रहे थे, विकास भाई कहाँ है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट को बुलाइए। लीजिए, डिस्प्लेसमेंट जी हाजिर है। हेलो विकास जी।
Hello, how are you? How are you guys?
ठीक है।
Hope everyone is doing good.
हाँ, अभी आएगा मजा, ऐसा बोल रहे हैं एंटी भाई।
अरे भाई।
अभिषेक भाई हेलो। लर्निंग भाई हेलो। क्या हालचाल? सब बढ़िया। और आवाज़ थोड़ा डिफरेंट आ रहा होगा क्योंकि माइक वगैरह कनेक्ट नहीं है, पता नहीं कुछ हो गया उसको, वो रूट गया है मेरे से शायद से। आवाज़ नहीं
माइक खराब हो गया क्या?
नहीं, खराब नहीं हुआ है कुछ, तो वो आईपैड कनेक्ट करने के चक्कर में ना उसका
हम्म।
सेटिंग ये खराब कर दी, वो डिटेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा है अभी।
आईपैड में क्यों डाल रहे हो?
नहीं नहीं, आईपैड में नहीं, हम सोच रहे थे हम लोग आईपैड से कनेक्ट करेंगे, कुछ ज्ञान की बातें करेंगे और लाइव इससे करेंगे।
अच्छा।
तो उसके चक्कर में गड़बड़ हो गया है। नरेश भाई हेलो बोल रहे हैं, तुम कमेंट खोल लो ना सामने, तब भी ना पढ़ोगे ब्रो।
रुको ना, नेट वाली ये कर लो।
हाँ ठीक है। ठीक है, तो हम तब तक कंटिन्यू करते हैं इधर। एंड हम तो अपने आप को म्यूट कर देना ताकि तुमको डिस्टर्बेंस ना हो। एक बार तुम रेडी हो जाओ तो बताना, ठीक है? जब रेडी हो तो
लाइक।
सामने से बोल देना, ठीक है? ऑलराइट, तो अभी क्या करते हैं गाइस, तो अपना फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रहेगा अभी। ठीक है, विकास भाई थोड़ा कुछ कर रहे हैं, अपने शादी का बात हो रहा है उनका। मजाक कर रहा हूँ, उनको सुनाई नहीं दे रहा होगा तो ऐसा कुछ मत बोल देना जाके। ठीक है। तो क्विकली एक बार मार्केट का जो ओवरऑल अगेन एंड ऑफ द डे है, आई मीन मंथ है, तो देख लेते हैं कि क्या हुआ, क्या अच्छा था, क्या खराब था। सो लेट अस सी। एंड अगेन देखो, हमेशा कभी भी स्टार्ट होने से पहले ना अपने पास तीन चीज़ें होती है, राइट? ओपन, सॉरी, अगर बुलिश है तो लो, देन हाई, एंड देन फाइनली क्लोज होता है, राइट? अगर देखो तो ऐसे ही कुछ आपका जो रेगुलर आई मीन पावर थ्री होता है, राइट? करेक्ट। तो उस हिसाब से अगर देखा जाए तो आई थिंक लिंक नहीं भेजा हूँ ना मैं, इसीलिए भाई लोग भी नहीं है। अच्छा, मतलब जो अभी देख रहे हो मतलब सब कोई सब्सक्राइब हो टेलीग्राम। अब इसको क्या हो गया? आई थिंक मेरा सिस्टम आज मर जाएगा। रो रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है। इसको क्या हो गया? एक मिनट देना गाइस, हम मेरे मुझे क्या लग रहा है ना कि ये जो है ना, हम अभी जस्ट ना वे कुछ कैचे वगैरह क्लियर किए हैं, तो दिक्कत यहीं से आ रहा है। ठीक है, लॉगिन एक्सपायर्ड होगा इसका आई गेस। आई थिंक लॉगिन एक्सपायर्ड है या करेक्ट, आई वाज टोटली राइट। ये रहा अपना वापस। ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट सुपर चार्ट। तो अभी कंटिन्यू करते हैं। इनफैक्ट अभी देखो इसमें ना थोड़ा बुलिश देख रहा हूँ अभी, ठीक है? पहले बता दे रहा हूँ, उसके बाद अपन कंटिन्यूएशन पे अगर कोई देख रहे हो और उस हिसाब से प्लान करना है तो देख लेना। अगेन मार्केट ऑलरेडी एक्सपैंड हो चुका है, ये ध्यान में रखना कि एक्सपेंशन बहुत ज़्यादा हो चुका है, तो हो सकता है कि मार्केट आज रेंज करते रह जाए। तो स्ट्रीम अभी लैग किया था, स्ट्रीम अभी भी लैग कर रहा है क्या? एक बार बताओ। स्ट्रीम अभी भी लैग कर रहा है क्या? बताना एक बार। ठीक है, तो अपन पहले आते हैं क्विकली। अभी ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया, थैंक्स अभिषेक भाई। तो अपन इसके अलावा अपन पहले फोकस करते हैं, इन सब चीज़ों पे आते हैं, लेट अस स्टार्ट, और उसके बाद अपन आगे की तरफ बढ़ेंगे। तो मोटा मोटा क्या हुआ है, जो अगर हुआ है वो देखो, तो बेसिकली क्या रहता है अपना पावर थ्री, ओपन, लो, हाई एंड क्लोज। ठीक है, ये रहता है अपना ओवरऑल किसी भी डायरेक्शन को देखा जाए तो। ठीक है, आज मैं जीयू का एग्जांपल से समझाऊंगा। जीयू इसलिए प्रेफर कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा सेंस बना रहा है। जैसे मान लो ये वीकली का कैंडल देखे, तो ये गैप के साथ खुला था ना, इसको थोड़ी देर के लिए भूल जाओ। कहने का मतलब कि ये जो यहाँ के मतलब यहाँ खुला था ना, तो मान लेते हैं हाइपोथेटिकली, मान लेते हैं कि प्राइस ये जो है ना इसका लो, कहने का मतलब इस वाले एरिया से इसके नीचे जो गैप है ना, इस गैप को इग्नोर करता है वीकली। कहने का मतलब क्या हुआ कि अपन मानते हैं कि प्राइस यहाँ पे ओपन हुआ, ओपन होने के बाद लो फॉर्म किया एंड फिर प्राइस ऊपर की तरफ क्लोजिंग दिया। तो दैट इज हाउ वी शुड अज्यूम, ठीक है। अभी के लिए अज्यूम करते, तो ये था आपका अक्यूमुलेशन के साथ मैनिपुलेशन, फिर क्या हुआ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, और डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के बाद प्राइस मोटा मोटा यहाँ तक पहुँच गया, ठीक है। एंड अगेन मार्केट बुलिश हो, फिर भी अगर कभी भी किसी सीलिंग को टच करता है ना, तो जैसे मान लो ये था अपना ओपन, लो, हाई एंड फाइनली समथिंग, अभी यहाँ पे प्राइस है राइट एग्जैक्टली। देखो तो कैसे लग रहा है ना कि एग्जैक्टली जैसे होता है, भले ही हम लोग ट्रेड करें या फिर ना करें, राइट, मतलब मिस हो जाए या जैसे भी बोलो, बट देखा जाए तो मोटा मोटा कुछ ऐसा ही होता है और ऐसा ही हो राइट एग्जैक्टली दिख भी रहा है। तो ऐसे कुछ था, तो अभी इसी के लिए रेस्ट लेने दो मार्केट को। तो ये था ओवरऑल जो डिस्कशन था अपना। अगर इस वीक का देखा जाए कि भाई इस वीक में क्या किया और क्यों ट्रेड, एक दो ट्रेड था वो अच्छा गया, फिर तीसरा ट्रेड खराब गया, फिर चौथा ट्रेड अच्छा गया, उसके पीछे का रीजन समझाता हूँ। देखो मुझे क्या था ना कि मैं थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे, ये जब ये वीक ओपन हुआ, मंडे का रेंज इसको पकड़ा, राइट, ये वाली मंडे की रेंज थी। एंड मंडे का रेंज जब लिया तो ऊपर की तरफ क्लोजिंग दिया राइट एट ऑर्डर ब्लॉक। तो मैं इस कैंडल में बुलिश था राइट, अगर इफ यू रिमेंबर मैं इस कैंडल में बुलिश था। और यहाँ से इस वाले ऑर्डर ब्लॉक से राइट, देखो रिजेक्टिंग लोस ब्रेकिंग हाइस राइट, तो सिंपली विल बी बुलिश राइट। तो इसके ऊपर तक टारगेट कर रहा था, उसके बेसिस पे देखा जाए तो ये एक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक की लेवल था। इस की लेवल पे जब प्राइस यहाँ पे आया, यहाँ से एक अच्छा ऑर्डर बना मेरा और ऊपर की तरफ टारगेट हुआ, जो कि आप लोगों को बताया था, ठीक है। उसके बाद इसके अलावा और क्या था, इसके अलावा एक ईयू का ट्रेड था जो इस वाले एरिया से था, यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ, फिर नहीं आई मीन यहाँ यहाँ से था, लास्ट वीक मंडे को ओपन होने के बाद फट से ऊपर फटाक से गया, ये क्लोज हुआ। उसके बाद कल मैं जो ये ट्रेड जो मेरा गलत है ना, कि पार्ट ऑफ द गेम ना, हमेशा थोड़ी ना आप राइट हो सकते। मैं मुझे कल क्या दिखा कि ये जो क्लोजिंग आया ना ऊपर की तरफ, तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि देखो अभी प्राइस मोटा मोटा देखा जाए तो ये हाइस को छोड़ के आया था राइट, मोटा मोटा ये हाई को छोड़ के आया था। और यहाँ पे वीकली में मैं क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा था कि हो सकता है ये ओपनिंग प्राइस को टैप करे। अगेन देखो कभी कभी होता है कि प्राइस बिना टैप किया आ जाता है, क्योंकि फर्दर उसको चाहिए होता है लिक्विडिटी। तो उस बेसिस पे मेरा था यहाँ से एक बार ये हल्का सा पुश लेगा और ऊपर की तरफ कंटिन्यू करके और इसको टैप करके फिर रिजेक्शन आ सकता है, विच आई वाज एक्सपेक्टिंग। ओवरऑल था कि मार्केट किस फेज में है और क्या हो सकता है, ये दिमाग में था, ऐसा नहीं था कि ऐसे मतलब बिना सिर पैर का था, ठीक है। तो इस केस में क्या दिखा, यहाँ से ये ऊपर की तरफ था। उसके बाद फोरिच में जब देखा था, फोरिच में ना ये क्लियर भी दिख रहा था, जैसे मान लो ये यहाँ पे एक की लेवल था और की लेवल में ना ये रेंज अच्छे से रिजेक्शन दिया था। देखो ये वाले रिजेक्शन आया था, जब ये रिजेक्शन आया था ना, तो अच्छा था कि मतलब ओवरऑल अगेन उसके बाद रिजेक्ट लो करके हाई भी ब्रेक किया। तो जो मैं देखता हूँ ना उस हिसाब से सेटअप बन गया, जब बनेगा सेटअप तो उठाऊंगा सेटअप, सिंपल सा बात है, स्टॉप खाए या फिर टेक प्रॉफिट मिले, दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द गेम राइट। तो उस बेसिस पे देखा जाए तो ये ऊपर की तरफ पुश होने के बाद न्यूज़ आया एंड अच्छा खासा डिस्प्लेसमेंट से नीचे की तरफ गिरा, ठीक है। एक मिनट को पूछता, हेलो ब्रो, यू मैन, कहाँ हो, कहाँ गायब हो गए, म्यूट करके भाग गए क्या?
हेलो 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 हूँ बोलो।
तो भाई लोग
यस।
है, आए हैं, वेट कर रहे हैं, स्क्रीन पे
हम्म।
कुछ दिखाओ, कुछ विकास के लिए
हट।
जो क्वेश्चंस वगैरह है डालो, और तुम भी हो सकता है विकास ब्रो तो पॉसिबल हो तो एक बार चैट कर लो, ताकि कुछ आपके लिए सवाल हो तो आप खुद आंसर कर सके।
हम्म। पूछो।
पूछो, बताओ
यस।
क्या क्या पूछना है, किसको पूछना। आज विकास भाई अपने हैं यहाँ पे, हर एक चीज का आंसर मिलेगा आज। आज डिस्प्लेसमेंट है तो किसको किसको डिस्प्लेसमेंट चाहिए पता है, हम लोग को जब भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट चाहिए होता है ना, तो तुमको याद करते हैं चैनल पे।
11 बंदे और बंदे कहाँ गए सब?
जाएंगे जाएंगे 15 मिनट तक तो लिंक ही नहीं भेजा था। और ऐसे भी
हम्म।
वीकेंड आ जाता है ना, तो धीरे धीरे सब आलसी आ जाते हैं, मंडे ट्यूसडे वेनेसडे तक सही रहते हैं।
हम्म। ओके। कौन मैं कुछ
हाँ स्क्रीन शेयर करो ना,
हम्म।
स्क्रीन शेयर करो तभी दिखेगा ना। मैं स्टॉप करता हूँ अपना, शेयर करो।
दिख रहा है स्क्रीन मेरा?
हाँ स्क्रीन तो आ रहा है, लेकिन इसको
ये।
मुझे फिट करना होगा, एक सेकेंड देना। हाँ ये पिन है,
हाँ 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 हाँ
एक सेकंड,
हाँ 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 हाँ।
रुको ना रुको एक सेकेंड, इसको हटा रिमूव, ये हटेगा कैसे?
नहीं दिख रहा है क्या स्क्रीन से?
नहीं, स्क्रीन तो आ रहा है,
हाँ।
बट ये मिनिमाइज कैसे होगा, मुझे वो नहीं समझ आ रहा। ठीक है, स्क्रीन दिख रहा है, तुम कंटिन्यू करो, ओबीएस में भी आ रहा है, ठीक ठाक ही आ रहा है।
क्या हो बताना मेरे को।
तुम कुछ तो बता रहे थे ना।
रुको, मैं पहले देखो क्वेश्चन किसी का है तो पूछ सकते हो।
Why you guys always speak in Hindi? We can't understand what you're teaching most of the
ओके, सो
time.
लेट्स डू दिस इन इंग्लिश ना। इंग्लिश में, इसको इंग्लिश में करें क्या?
ठीक है, कर सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल। ठीक है
बोलो।
विघ्नेश ब्रो, फॉर यू। ठीक है, लेट्स गेट इनटू दैट थिंग्स बाय इनगल्फिंग।
मैं और बंदे को बुला लूँ क्या? मैं
हाँ हाँ, बुला
क्या,
लो बुला लो बुला लो।
मैं अपना ग्रुप में सही कर देता हूँ, इंग्लिश इंग्लिश में कर देते हैं इसको।
ठीक है।
ताकि, रुको सेव कर देता हूँ। आई एम लाइव हियर। Yes, so let's do this in English so that everyone, you know, can understand. uh, uh, ठीक है, so hope I am audible. Yeah,
या,
right? अरे,
लाउड एंड क्लियर राइट।
yes. So start ask code out.
Any
Engulfing
first of
candle.
all, what you're thinking about euro and GBP, if you can give the analysis then.
Euro, nothing so far, not that much clear. For one thing to note, uh, you know, let's go to DXY. Let me remove this and remove. Let's go to 12-month chart, and you will see there is a pretty good order block. 12 months. So those who are bearish on dollar, maybe you might get bullish, right? And this can be your down liquidity for the upcoming years, not months. It take years to go there, right? And that's why we are, price is consolidating here. And the only concern was that there are so many gaps. Now you can see there are so many gaps. Prices are forming, so these gaps really get filled. Okay, so that's the only concern we have. But else it's looking bullish right now, but we
But
can't say
I
for
think
sure.
your chart is slightly different now. If you can go to DXY, that is
No,
different.
but same side. If you see, look, there is also
Ah,
gaps.
okay, okay, fine, fine. In
That's
that
why I'm
case,
using two, but say in both of them, they have similar situations. There are gaps. But look, it's look bullish right now. The price has to remain continue lower, should not be closed above this candle higher. It closed above. Might be you can see price creating a fair value gap here. If it creates a fair value gap, then we can price can move higher, right? And we can target this rejection candle.
hmm,
Okay,
hmm.
so that is the bias for DXA, but right now it's not
But if
that
you
much
can look
clear.
it into the, I mean, I was going through the 3 months of chart. There also I saw some differences, and in fact, it is looking bullish only if you see it from the.
Yeah, 3 months we also
If you
have
see
an
the
order block.
fair value gap,
And
performance.
also, if you go to the monthly here in euro, we have a fair value gap to get filled. There's a lot of confusion right now. We can say for sure. You know.
Hmm.
So one thing that tomorrow might today is a week monthly closing, right? So it's not a high probability level trade. And next thing to keep in mind that if we did not closed, if you close like this, so might be drawn liquidity is here,
Simply, yeah,
right?
correct.
But it's not showing bullishness now. That's the only concern. If price has to remain higher, it should not engulf this, a bullish candle. Engulfing bullish candle means what? It is creating a bearish order block. That's the only concern. So one thing to notice is that this fair value gap. If price closed above this fair value gap, then we might see higher prices till this. Right, the first down liquidity will be like this, or what it can happen that price will react from this fair value gap. It will come here, sweeps sweep this low, and again it will create an order block around here, and it will continue higher, like this. So it can happen, or I am looking similar situation like this. If you see this, like this, price getting and fair value gap and immediately engulfing that, then we can look for higher prices. But as of now, there is no clear bias in Euro USD. So staying out is the ideal thing. Okay. Yesterday I was having bias. CRT was there. Also we have CRT in CPP. It was good thing. And GBP should look also bullish, right? But it's not looking bullish as of now. Mm, if you go to daily, we have a daily imbalance which is not been filled yet. So might we can see price it can come here and it can be good at also long we can plan here. The price move higher, but yeah, it's just consolidating. Nothing can be said for sure what's going to happen. So staying out as of now from Forex, Euro, GBP having no clear bias. Staying out is the right thing. Odd USD same. We
All the
saw
USD was lastly, it was like, this week was a good move, in fact, if you say.
move was pretty good, but we are unable to catch this move. Mm, good. It was good then. There is shooting star spike,
Shooting star?
CRT as well. This is shooting star candle, right?
Okay.
No, this is a good reversal candle. If you see,
Okay.
if it is forming at the top, na, so you will see price reversing, right? See, this is the shooting star. This thing I learned this from Dante. You might we already know. So see, if it is forming at the top, so we can see some reversal. And this is a good CRT to take, right? If it is shooting star and CRT, it's a high probability CRT. You can take. Similarly, if you go to the GBP, you will find a similar thing like this. See, it's not a actual good shooting star, but yeah, somehow it's this is one thing you can use this in your advantage to form a bias, right? So whenever you see shooting star forming at top and bottom, then we can see some reversal or retracement, and that is the high probability CRT. That is the gem you can take. Uh, yeah, let's go to daily. You find out something like this. See, that's the reason I was having the bearish bias tomorrow. The is this candle takes out the liquidity, forms a shooting star at the top, and there we go. And good trade it was, but I was not able to catch this move. I literally I got
In
stopped
fact,
out
yesterday
here.
I was bullish from this order block. Yeah, this
Yeah,
no, not
yeah,
from
you are
here. Yeah,
bullish
yeah,
from here.
yeah, yeah. I was
But I was bearish. I sorted from here, but I got stopped out. This spike, stopped me out. One hour loss, but yeah, bias was right, but it happened. GBP right now I see what I saw from my journal that GBP and gold, these two pair do a lot of manipulation. So better to have wider stops in these pairs. So if you trade euro, there is no so much spike, but in GBP there is a lot of spikes. It happens, but yeah, GBP Bitcoin. Literally, I called this move, but see, price did not came to my level. I was I was looking for short from this fair value gap, but it did not came and we missed this move. I was not expecting that much of move, but yeah, yeah till weekly fair value gap, I was expecting this daily fair value gap. Mm. And it happens. Similarly, if I go to Nasdaq, I was also looking for short, but did not able to catch those moves.
in fact, I sorted from the this US 500 yesterday from there was SMT, right?
This one,
Yeah, yeah.
this
Not
order
from
block,
no
right?
the in the you go to the US 500, no?
Okay, let's go to US 500. This. Hmm.
Yeah, that running on those highs.
Okay,
Yeah,
this one. It looks
yeah.
good.
So that
Let's
it
go to daily.
yeah
Oh, there is a fair value gap. See, this is. Oh, you should have told me, na. There is a shooting star. There is a
I
there is a
hate
fair value gap.
that.
Okay, and there is a perfect CRT here. Oh, it's like cherry on the top. Okay,
Yeah, in
so this
fact,
is a
yesterday retracement was the
this one. This should have been the perfect shot from this order block. I would have planned this if you would have told me. I did not saw this. This should have been the perfect. Then that's the model. Higher time frame bias bearish and literally catch this. It's not 4 hour, but you can go
no,
till
no.
this.
For me, it was around 4 hours.
Three 3 hour is done. We are done. Not expecting that much of move, but yeah, good. It was a good. Thanks. Let me add this uh, because I was looking into uh, that only. Which one we are using? Capital or which one?
Capital.com only I use mainly.
Okay, so let me add this. Capital only. And look, and also US oil. I was bearish, right? See. Uh, but yeah, the only concern was that price closed above this fair value gap, and that's the reason I plan to enter. Yeah, but it was late night, and I do not want to hold, enter at the late night, and I will not be able to sleep. So that's why I did not took this. And when I woke up, I saw that it has closed above this fair value gap, so I prefer not to take it. Yeah, that's the US oil,
What
USD.
about currently you're looking for the NAS now current view?
NAS, we are done. NAS, I was looking for,
No, not. I mean
it
for
has
today.
taken out
For
the
the
range
now
low,
it
na.
is
If you
opening,
see,
right? It's a opening.
range low is already been gone. So yeah, nothing. Look, still it's bullish. Uh, but
I
right
mean
now,
for today, anything short term, if you can look it for.
short term trading छोड़ दिया भाई. uh, okay, yeah. So yeah, short term. I don't know, bro. Short term, what to do right now? Okay, one thing we can do, if this still taken out, right? It's
Yeah,
all been taken out.
almost
If this
done,
would have,
but
so this is a good order block to look for short, right? In daily time frame. But right now,
but if you
it
see
it
that there was a SMT, so I would say that you know,
mm,
I think check once is there any SMT or not.
yeah, it's S&P is there. Look, the reason today is a high probability or so low probability week is that there is no such major news, I think, is there, and we already expanded a lot for the whole week,
Yeah.
right? So that's why it is consolidating right now. The reason is, so you can scalp, but I do not prefer scalping. Mm. I burned my hands lot of times, 1 minute time, 1 minute time, 1 minute is like a drug,
Yeah.
if you I don't want to share my horrible experience trading 1 minute time frame. Okay.
So you are the drug addict, huh?
I am addicted to 1 minute. I was once addicted to 1 minute time frame that caused me a lot of pain. It has given me a lot of pain. Do you have any other pair in mind? You guys want me
If you
to?
guys can ask, want to ask few questions or anything, please feel free to put it into the chat, and we'll take it. There are some chats. Check
Backtest this.
US 30, please. US 30.
This is my sauce. No? Okay. Oh, oh.
Bro, I think you need to check US 30 once. Audience wants to know.
Dow Jones.
Yep.
Let's see Dow Jones. Let's start from weekly and daily. Uh, the bias can be bearish until this fair value gap is, still fair value gap is not been taken now. Okay, so yeah, bias is bearish. And where to
So I think in
look?
10 minutes there is a news, opening. So
Mhm. So yeah, so we can see some, this can be a drawn liquidity. Price is moving low, but these three pairs doesn't move in a sync, right?
yeah, matlab, there is no much. I mean, overall correlation we say it, but I feel it, especially US 30, na? Uh,
Hmm.
it's not like that. NAS, if doing bearish, then it will be bearish like that.
Hmm,
I
hmm,
don't
hmm.
see that much of a
So
thing.
4 hour, this is an order block, right? Daily 4 hour order block is there. Now it got tapped. So we can, if you look for entry, but the stop loss will be wider. Uh, so maybe price taking up, sweeping out, or you can, the entry is already been, signal has it. So this breaker you can put stop loss over the breaker, and the target would be 1.6 hour. Not that much, but yeah, it's better. It's a good trade to take. Bias is bearish, retracing. This is a good key level to lean on, and we can look for short. Let's, if you want to use this view, so 50% is all we need. So 50% is here. So if price, doing turtle soup, so it can come to this level, turtle souping this high and hitting this. Yeah. So we are almost safe if price is doing that thing. So we can wait for news. And there are 8 men. There is news, or you are
No, no.
talking about?
I think no. You can check now once.
Hmm. Because, okay, let's take that out. For Forex, what is that? Forex salary.
Factory.
Hmm? Forex factory, sorry. Yeah, so let's use that for respect.
Are you joking me?
Yes. I did a. I just cracked the joke. Let me remove all everything. Hmm. And then
No,
only
no,
check
let
the
it be
USD.
medium impact also. Sometimes that gives move also.
You know there is a news called. I just left to know that news is very. It's not in the red folder, right? It is in this uh,
Orange.
orange one, right? Yeah, we have a Chicago PM, but it's not that much important. There is no such uh, news event which it's 7 8:15. It means uh, let me change it to uh, the US New
I
York
guess
time.
5.
Idhar hai
On
wo,
the top
where
only,
is
na?
that?
Yeah. On the top, yeah. There you
Yeah,
go.
there we go. There we go. Here it is. So it's 9:45. So yeah, so it will take around 30 minutes. Wait and watch. But look, this is
But opening range can be there, right? It's just another 5 7 minutes, right?
it can play out. It can play out. This is good. This is USD JPY. Let's check that out. Where is USD JPY? अरे इसमें था
Third number. Sorry, third. Yeah.
second.
Oh, third.
Any doubt? Any doubt, you guys? Yeah, it moved a lot. Good. There, the drawn liquidity was this fair value gap. Mm, done. It's already done. The move is already done.
Yeah, especially after the closing above those things
Hmm.
yesterday. That
But नहीं नहीं. This gold is no. So it moved good. Uh, Now when looking for we have this fair value gap. Let's see. Mm,
But if you go to gold monthly ones, you see,
monthly
I'm expecting that
high.
today if it closes, no, then it can come down further to yeah those levels.
Monthly fair value gap price. It can come. Mm.
So that is what. If
Now,
it closes in the fair value gap today, then likely it is coming down slightly.
mm, let's see. Nothing अभी कुछ you know क्या बोलते हैं उसको not but it's not there's no proper signal you know trade right now. It was there till yesterday, but as of now there is no such thing. Any other pair, guys? Any
Again, US 30 in the
exotics?
comment. Again, US 30. A lot of fans of US 30. Once again, they are asking. UST
यूएस
देखिएगा.
30 मेरा वॉइस सही से नहीं आ रहा क्या? My voice is
No,
not
no,
audible.
no, no. It is coming. Voice sound अलग आ रहा है means Rajbhai, he is Vikas. Okay, I think you have joined slightly later when he joined. He is Vikas.
Okay, okay. It's a weekly
The
fair value gap.
displacement whom we are always demanding that where is displacement. So here you go. You have
There is a
displacement.
weekly fair value gap.
Uh,
Hmm. Okay, so weekly fair value gap might already been tapped now. I don't think that's a high probability trade, but yeah, you can bet that.
in NAS, I'm expecting higher prices. I'm not sure because
Hmm.
today is the again already price has
See,
expired.
there is a doji candle.
Yeah.
Okay,
That is there true, but in NAS, I'm not talking about that. I mean, US 30
this
Dow
can
Jones,
be
but
influenced.
for the NAS,
Nas, you're looking higher prices, right?
yeah, I'm looking higher
Let's
prices.
see. Higher prices.
But again, after this huge
But
displacement,
it is
there's a
consolidating, na?
yeah,
We
that is what.
consolidated.
Yeah, so if it is
Low probability today.
consolidating, then that will be the again.
Mm. I say, look, we see, price moved a lot. It's consolidating. Uh, consolidating.
In fact, the entire zone where this I took the trade, that entire itself was the consolidation. If you see now that phase.
Which one?
uh, the top
Nasdaq.
one. Yeah, nice. मतलब there were
You took here,
yeah,
na?
no, previous day.
Okay, here.
No, previous day, I mean. Yeah, that high you can say. No, not that. Yeah, that high. So in fact, if you see that was entirely ranging only. In the 1H it is looking, it
But
moves
it
down.
moved, see, it moved.
Yeah, but it
Mm.
was within the range only for the if
But
you
see,
see.
the range, this range is a little bit,
Yeah.
good to play out. You can play that. Let's see here. Uh,
and in fact happening at a key level again, because that is barely tapped that low, so that is why it's slightly concerning. But you looking for me slightly bullish, but
Mm.
not participating just because of the already it moves and
Can we
anticipation.
look for longs here? Let's take that out. Whether we have it. Mm. 24 I'm watching, 15 like so sad guys.
Very very sad. So that's
So sad, Magesh. How are you? It's been long ever since I saw you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. What do you see? Do you want to look for longs here? As we already inside the weekly PDRA, right? And mm, but still it's looking bearish, huh? Right? Are you there or are you
no
gone?
no, I'm there. I'm just trying to expand this one, but I'm not sure about why this is you know. Okay,
When
now it
price
is.
closes above
Yeah,
this
yeah.
high, we can look for longs.
I think now it will be better, slightly better.
Yeah, it's good now. I guess so. I did not get a response, brother, from focusing on what New York questions about
Acha, acha, I
focusing on.
think the above question, yes. So if you guys can focus on one model which repeats not more often, but if it does, will provide something for us. He is asking basically
Mm-hmm. What is he asking?
sound alag aa raha hai. I think sound is not going perfectly. I guess so.
साउंड लगा रहा है. अरे ठीक है,
Sound is
साउंड आ रहा है
passive.
ना बस. If you guys cannot focus on one model, can focus on one model which repeats not more often, but if it does, it will provide information. What will be that? I know you guys don't see alternatives. Okay, just focus on one model, right? You want to focus on one model. So trade. Look, there are a lot of chatter around. Which model? How many models should we have? How many pairs should we have? How many time frames? Which time frame is better, right? Which session is better to trade? But there is no clear cut answer of this, right? If you'll ask me personally, right? I have heard many stories about good traders, how they do, and how what is the right thing to do, what the mostly they do, right? For me, I think uh, not all the pairs have good trading opportunity every day. Okay, so the question of having one pair is I never get that. I guess you should add 9 to 10 pairs, right? And see which pair will find a good trading opportunity. First thing, let's say if you're not comfortable in watching so many pairs, then you can focus on one pair only. Next thing is which trading strategy, right? CRT total. So, but you have to ask to yourself, like what type of person you are. Are you able to trade lower time frame? Are you able to trade higher time frame? What works for you? Like sometimes the thing which will work for me might not work for you, right? So you have to figure it out by yourself. See what type of person you are. Look, I tried 1 minute time frame, it doesn't work for me. 5 minute, sometimes some not. I tried no, I tried so many things, but it doesn't work for me. So I what did I do? I just followed what works for me, right? Mm. So whenever there is no bias in higher time frame, I do not literally do not go to the lower time frame. That's the way I do, right? So it doesn't mean you have to do the same thing. You have to figure out what works for you, right? You can take something from me, something from Suman bro, right? And you have to make it yourself. Take something from me, take something from him, take something from ICT, whoever you follow, right? And make a good trading model according to you, right? There is no perfect strategy. There is no black and white in trading. There is always a gray area, right? And you're asking about which time frame to trade, right? Which time frame to look for PDRS. So I usually say to focus on a few time frames, because when you look for models and PDR in so many time frames, you will get confused, right? Some time frame will show you bullish signal, some will say it will bearish signal. So better to focus on few time frames. I prefer 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily time frame. These three are the my go-to time frame, right? Daily for looking for daily buys, 4 hour and 1 hour for the entry. That's all. Nothing, no, that not that much. Sometimes I go to 5 and 15 minutes. That's all. But preferably, I just look for 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. These three, right? And there is no single model, right, which will repeats every day, right? Some day there will be no CRD, some day there will be no total soup. So what I think you have to have, if you want to be a professional trader in future, you should have 3 to 4 models, right, which will help you to navigate the market in sometimes market will range, so not gonna wait. So you should have model to trade the ranging market, you should have model to trade the trending market, you know. So you should have model 3 to 4 model is good enough, but initially you focus only one model, and then you can make on top of that other models as well, right? So yeah, you got me right. I hopefully I answered your question. Mm. About the model time frame
Yes,
pairs.
give me a second. I'll be back. Okay. I think some problem is there in the mic. I'll just quickly back. You continue. I'll just quickly back. 1 second.
One model का confirmation बताइए. What do you mean confirmation? What do you want to know? Uh, you have any doubt you can ask. But what do you mean by one model confirmation? Uh, what I do is that I look for daily buys. If there is no daily buys, I prefer not to trade. Right. So I go to uh, each day, just go to the daily time frame and see whether you are able to make a bias or not. If you are, then trade that pair, right? And always do the same thing again and again. If you try to be hero and try to do different thing other day, so you're not gonna make it now. Not gonna happen. You can get funded, you can make some payout, but no, it will not last longer. You have to be in the game for longer run. For that, you have there are a lot of things you can do. First, you can journal, right? You can collect statistics, you can collect data, right? You can collect mm, all your mistakes and try to eliminate all those mistakes, right? And you can refine your trading strategy, but not change your strategy. Yeah. This is what I want to say you. Just fix. If you see, na, me and Suman bro, we both are trading turtle soup, CRT since last 2 years, right? You never see something new, right? Uh, uh, Same thing, right? Turtle soup, CRT. CRT is the new name, but this is this strategy is also copied from Dante. It's not a new one, right? And before it was this actually the original name is
Acha, sorry guys. Can
mm,
you anyone confirm that how is
what do I
sound
say?
now?
Inside candle failure or what? I would not remember that name, but yeah, and that is what I think. Yeah. So OHLC and OLJC, how does it do when I look 4 hour time frame? There are a lot of
Vikas, am I audible?
yeah. Yeah. So yeah, what do you want to know? OHLC and OLHSC, how does it work? What time it open high or look? Uh,
Vikas,
there are a lot. Haha.
I think just asking sound is good, right? Any difference now? You can guys can find it. Like I was getting that sound is not good. Sound is not good. So now is it okay?
Mm, can
Okay.
you
Now
can
good,
you
Guru.
provide
Okay.
us for the swing trader? Yeah. So, okay. You want to look? Just copy what I do now. You just go and find out higher time frame bias, right? Second thing is trade according to the bias. 4 hour and 1 hour entry. That's all. If you wants me, let's go to Euro USD, right? My bias was bearish on that day, so the reason is CRT, and the reason is I guess there is SMT here, right? There is an SMT at the top, there is a CRT at the top, and there is a clear target to look for. These are the failure swings, right? 1 2 3, they all are the failure swings you can look for short. That's the bias. Now you go to the 1 hour and 4 hour to look for entries. Mm. So 1 hour, what do you see? Are you able to spot any key level? Look, this is a key level. But let's go to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour are able to spot any key level. I guess you can see there is a 4 hour order block here. Okay, this is a 4 hour order block we have. Right, price closed below and it got confirmed. So this you can use as a key level, and you can put a stop loss here. That's all you can do with this thing. If you don't want to go below 4 hour and 1 hour, uh, like this, uh, and target 1:5 hour. And if you want to refine it much more, go to the 1 hour and see. Uh, you can look for entries here. The price comes, right? And put your stop loss here. Price did not go, I guess. Yeah, it did not went. But there is only confirmation that it's not gonna go. Is this doji around this key level, right? So we can sort it from here and put the stop loss above this down close candle. That's all. Mm. I'll look for lows. It will go, and again it will, yeah, like this. So you can do this thing. First, identify the daily bias. Second, and look for entries in 1 hour and 4 hour. Hope you got it. Hmm.
Who is the person you said recently?
This is our mentor, Trader Dante. One search on you. You can check the. He is the only real trader in the social media space. Hmm. Okay, everyone is fake, including us. Okay, so yeah, you can follow him. He's a great guy. Mm. Uh, yeah, you can learn from him. Yeah, that's what I can say. Um, anything else? 9:30 is done. Nah? Let's see what has happened. Hmm. We were bearish in Dow Jones. What is it? US 30. Hmm. Where what is? Arey, okay, I have to come to here. Oh, it played out, man. Perfect. But uh, let's see. It's a 1 hour भी नहीं किया अभी तक. So yeah, this is the target. Uh, but right now it's not looking good. But we can hold it. This thing can happen. No. Hello. Are
Ah,
are
ah.
you?
Yeah, yeah, I'm here only. I'm here only. Where I'll go?
Hmm. Ask how many you guys have been out? You can ask me. Right?
Any questions can be asked if you guys have. Otherwise, I think we have already done 1 hour. I mean, 45 minutes. So that is what
One
we can keep it.
1 hour done.
No, no,
40.
45, 45 minutes.
Oh, wow, it's good. Hmm.
Uh,
45 minutes. It passed like in a flash. Hmm.
OHLC and OHLC, how does it work? What time open high low for Forex frames? I think you have a question from Gopi Bhai.
Can you? What is it?
OHLC, how does it works? What
Hmm.
time it open, high or low? I mean, what time it open, high, open, low, Forex time frame. I mean, he's asking that what time it opens and when we can expect high and low and in Forex, and
But
what is
why do you
OHLC?
want to know? मतलब क्यों जानना है? Why?
Because
Hmm.
he is trading total, so that is why he might be asking it.
Well, 4 hour. 4 hour. Every broker has a different time frame. Now, if you go to this DXY, uh, capital.com is 8 for 12, 16, 20. They are following this. If you go to DXY, it's different. 7, 11, 15. Right? If you go to Euro USD, it's different. 159. So everyone have a different. Uh, that's why now I do not use Open OHLC and this thing. It will confuse you. Now one salad take 159, salad take 2610 or 71115 or 10 26. You get confused. But to use key label and OHLC, that's the you can do it. Let's say you're looking for higher prices, that's your key level. So if there's a 4 hour candle open, So you look for price open, tap this key level and move higher. That is you can anticipate. But rest of the thing, talking about the time, it's not fixed now. Every book, each one have a different time frame. So how do you, do? You get confused. So I better not to indulge into that. I hope I answered your question. Thank you. Mm.
टर्टल सो किल जोन के
Killjoy.
बाहर होता है तो क्या कर सकते
So no, NRS.
नरेश
Killjoy is a
नरेश
no. Killjoy is a scam. Mm. Killjoy is a term coined by ICT to sell course. You know, focus on the sessions ना sessions जो है जो कि 1 to 5 होता है लंदन राइट फिर 7 से फ्रॉम 7 to 11 बट आई सी setups can appear at any time क्या doesn't need to be in kill zone okay sometimes price will move outside of kill zone sometimes it will move in the kill zone so there is no fixed thing you can rely on okay so only thing you can rely on is our key level okay so focus on the key level and focus on the execution and put your supply in such a way that even price the doesn't move in the kill zone or move during the news will not get stopped out. There are three things you have to focus on: the key level, the execution. This kill zone thing, if you try to go deep into that, you will get confused. Totally get confused. ICT says 2 to 5 is not in the kill zone, but you will see most of the time price moves around 5:30. There is no answer to that, right? Fusion is 7 to 10, but most of the time price moves around 8:30 and 9:30. But if you wait for 8:30 and 9:30, someday you will miss your entry, right? If you wait for London session to open at around 2 o'clock, but you'll miss the entry at 1 o'clock because that was a good entry to have. So focus on what you want to see, where do you want to see, and how do you want to see, right? Not at timing thing is important, but it's not that much important. Time, price, that bullshit. Okay. You can use CRT to have better entries. And CRT is a good mm, indication of time. Now, if you ask me, let's say that is a good question. I can elaborate on that. Let's say this is the Monday, right? This is the Monday range, right? And Monday range and the Tuesday, what price did is that it set this and closed below. So we formed this shooting star here, right? Here, and so now, if you ask me what do you expect on Wednesday? So I'll be expecting bearish price in action in Wednesday. That's the right day to trade, right? So that is the time thing. So you can do this in such a way. Let's say this is this is the candle. Uh, Let me where is this? This is the Asia. This is the Asia session, right? You can do the Asia session. So this is the London session. Okay. So okay, this is the 1 to 5, right? So from 5 to 9, we can expect lower prices like this 5 to 7 or 7:30. You can price can move higher, then we can move lower. So this thing will help you to enter at the right time, but not always. This can be a Friday range also as well, right? And Monday it will go fake out, so this will become Monday high, right? And this will become Monday low, and Tuesday it will take out Monday high, or it will take out the Tuesday low, sorry, Monday low and Monday high as well. So yeah, you can use this CRT thing, not the that what do I say, the kill zone thing. Oh, I answered you.
I think you can see once US 30.
What happened? I
No,
like
no,
again.
no, no, I'm just asking.
uh, US 30, US 30. Let's see, US 30. अरे, still the trade is in play. Nothing to do, right? There's no move. Stop loss तो break even तो डालते ही नहीं अब. Learn from you. Now I'm not putting stop loss or break even. Break even traders are break even मतलब trade डालता है ना डरपोक है. नहीं, am I right?
No comments.
बोलो, you, if am I right or wrong? Those who are timid, na, those who are timid, those who are fearful, they put a stop loss, they break even. There is no free meal in trading. Hmm. Hmm. Ah, देखो, that's the entry was perfect. This doji, जब से doji देखा ना, good. But what I want to see right now is that price engulfing below this candle, right, and forming an order block. And look why it's a good order block. This is a weak, this is a weak here, right? So this week is a good thing to have. And now you can expect from this week to lower prices. This is what you can see. But look, now days and following certain forget. Just take the trade and forget about it. Put the stop loss and the target. Mm, anything can happen. Nothing we can say for sure.
ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखे गाइस। इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग लेट अस नो, अदरवाइज
आज कितना हुआ, कितना मिनट हुआ? 47।
51।
वो होता है, बहुत है, 50 मिनट से बकबक कर रहा हूँ।
So now you're realizing, huh?
Hmm. Hmm. Any doubts you can ask, or we are gonna close the stream and we are gonna enjoy our weekend, right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Thanks a lot. Great session. Thank you guys for turning. I'll close the live. Okay. Because will be 1 second. You wait. Okay. Bye bye, guys. Good night, all of you.
Good night, good night, good night, good night.